Breaking sad news from the Reno National Championship Air Races 2023, Sunday, what's the date today, kids? 16 September, 17 September. It's about 3:55 local time, and the official word from the Reno Air Race Association is that racing is currently suspended, and the class presidents that were scheduled to continue to race this afternoon are meeting with their pilots and making a decision as to whether they want to continue racing or not here at the Reno National Championship Air Races. There were several classes of races that still needed to complete their gold final races for the last lap here at the Reno venue for the National Championship Air Races. What we know so far and what they've reported is there were 2 fatalities in what appears to be an AT6 mid-air collision after the conclusion of the AT6 Gold race, and it appears that the 2 aircraft did fall on the left base to runway 08, just a little bit to the west of the Reno Air Race property. No injuries on the ground, only 2 fatalities, and the 2 aircraft that were involved were 2 race aircraft. We still at this time don't know which 2 aircraft or who exactly was involved. I did witness one AT6 falling out of the sky, about like this, and I did not personally see the second aircraft involved. However, there is plenty of photographic evidence, video evidence. We'll have the complete story fairly soon, or whenever officials release that information as to exactly what happened. But all we know right now is an apparent mid-air collision between 2 AT6 aircraft while on the base turn to final for landing at runway 08 following the conclusion of the Gold AT6 race. Two fatalities, nobody on the ground. That's all we know here at this time. Thank you for your support. We'll see you here.